Hello, welcome to KSR IAS Academy. Today we shall discuss about the importance of optional in civil service preparation. And here as we already discussed, in order to get through this exam, there are three important papers to which we have to understand, which are ethics, essay, and optional. Here, these three are engines of our success. Here, optional, which contains paper 1 and paper 2 of 500 marks, this plays a very crucial role in deciding the aspirant whether his number will be in the merit list or not. While choosing the optional, most of the aspirants tend to commit a mistake, but here we, through our experience, has found some of the golden rules where it can help the student in order to choose an optional in such a way that he will get through the exam very easily. First of all, he must have interest upon the subject. Second, subject overlapping. Subject overlapping plays a very crucial role in the success of an aspirant in the UPSC examination. This point must be rated in such a way, and this is the most important of all the points. See, you must choose your optional in such a way that while preparing your optional, your GS must be finished, or while preparing for your GS and optional must be finished. There must not be extra time must to be invested in your preparation, so that here, when you are preparing for one aspect, the other aspect must also be finished. This helps you in covering the syllabus in a short amount of time, and also this plays a very crucial role and fetches you more time in revising your subject again and again. And as we all know, one who revises more have more chances to succeed. So subject overlapping plays a very crucial role. And here he must also be cautioned while choosing his optional whether proper guidance is available or not, or material availability of the optional which he has chosen is there in the market or not. So these also must be taken into consideration. Along with it, pass percentage in the previous examination. These 4 points must be kept in mind while choosing your optional. First of all, we must recognize this important point that we are choosing optional only for us to make our path easier to get through the examination. So that is the most crucial role. Along with it, subject interest, those also plays an important matter. Next, now I'll discuss about the importance of geography optional in UPSC examination. Let me say, geography have lot of myths surrounding it, and let me start with the cons itself. First of all, biggest negative is geography is rather huge syllabus. Yes, it not be contradicted. Geography is very huge, but 60% of the GS syllabus is covered in geography. So geography being very huge, it covers 60% of the GS syllabus. So we are not, there is not much of the concern. Once you finish geography, 60% of the GS is finished. So it being a comfort zone for us. Next, competition is very immense. Because of the reason which I have mentioned earlier, most of the aspirants tend to choose geography and the competition is immense. Yes, but if you have given the valid, suitable, precise points, then you will get your mark and you will be always in the merit list. According to me, these two are not the topics of concern, but these are the common myths among the aspirants. Now, let me discuss about the pros of geography. And geography is a scientific subject. There is no need of mugging up, and concepts can be easily understood. And material available for the geography is very best. Next, due to the tremendous overlapping with the GS, it also helps in the prelims and mains examination. With the questions being more dynamic and less static, geography also have a lot of overlapping in the subjects like environment, ecology, and conservation, etc., economy, etc. Candidates, what they learn in the geography will also help in the essay paper. Now, in the UPSC preparation or UPSC interview, geography will help you. Like it is a common question that aspirants were asked regarding this their hometown, vegetation, soil conditions, minerals in their state, and these are all can be learned with the help of the geography. Next, geography, being a humanities subject, we can use the diagrams, flow charts, maps, wherever it is necessary. And map-based questions will get approximately for 30 marks in each paper. And these are 30 marks in paper 2. And these are the most easiest marks which we can get. So never to be neglected, geography as an optional. Now, let me discuss why to choose geography in KSR IAS Academy. And here, KSR IAS Academy, this was taught by KSR sir, which is me. And in the teaching of geography optional, this is my 5th year experience. And I have dealt with more than 15 batches in either other institutes or in our own institute. I have dealt with the 15 batches, and I'm very happy and successful while dealing with these batches. And excessive training in the UPSC field, and we believe that students can easily crack this UPSC exam through this geography optional. Let me discuss why. And our student is topped in geography optional with 317 out of 500 mark, and none of our students got less than 265 in any of the geography exam. This is till 2020 mark. So this result is from our institute, and where we never failed. First of all, why the other institutions fail? First, their strategy and syllabus are outdated and non-comprehensive coverage of the syllabus. And most important, they never emphasize on the paper 2. That is the most important thing. And they don't focus upon the map pointing, which is most easiest and most scoring paper. Now, let me discuss the optional program in KSR IAS Academy. It is a 5 months program, which the day-to-day schedule will be provided in detail. First of all, this 5 months classroom program, the comprehensive coverage of the syllabus will be done in a time-bound manner, and special focus on inculcating geographical thinking among the students, which plays a very crucial role in attending the questions regarding this geography. Extensive coverage on the applied geography regarding the topics related to Indian geography. Here we will never neglect paper 2. Paper 2 is the most scoring, most easiest, and will be never be neglected. Next, special classes upon the case study. Case studies will be focusing either from the down to earth or geography and you or some Yojana, Kurukshetra, whatever. If there is any important case study, that will be discussed in the class along with the notes. Next, special sessions on map making. Next, study materials of our institute are the best. You don't need to worry. And discussion upon the previous year's questions and changing dynamics in the geography question paper. We will, as I said, we will never leave the importance of answer writing either in the GS or in the optional. We'll conduct module, sub-module, weekly test series so that student is very familiar with the geography optional. As I said earlier, none of our students in the KSR IAS Academy, which I have been taught for 6 batches, yes, 6 batches, none of our students got less than 265 mark, which I can say very proudly. So geography being very easy optional, you can easily achieve success in this area, and you can achieve the whatever service which you are aspiring for. Okay, all the best for your preparation. God bless you. Thank you and have a good day.